Hi, this is DT and GG. Some of you know that I also collect Integrity Toys dolls, and today I feel like opening my Integrity Toys and Magia 2000 collab dolls. This is a set of 4, but I wasn't in love with all 4 dolls, and when they're this expensive, you really have to be in love with them all to buy them all. So I bought the 3 women in the collection. The first one I'm opening is the Grand Gala in Rome. Maybe it's Gala. Grand Gala in Rome. Oh, wow. Look at her in her baby blue box. That's like a robin's egg blue. And what is all this? She reminds me of Marie Antoinette with all that hair piled up on top of her head. So this doll is Karolin Stone. She's very pale, blue eyes, pink eyeshadow, and light pink lips. Wow, look at that embroidery and that detail with those pearls. Oh wow, those thigh-high pink boots are going to be fun to put on. And here's her certificate of authenticity. Okay, let's remove her from her box. I feel like in order to stack her hair so high up on her head, they have something extra in here because it feels hard. Oh, let me remove her wig cover. Here's a closer look at her dress, which is off the shoulder. Her nails are a light pink, and the embroidery, which I just cannot get over, goes all the way around the dress. Oh, nice. She has a nice chunky curl in the back of her neck. Am I supposed to show this part? I feel kind of odd, but there's like a seafoam colored tulle underneath her dress that I wanted to show you guys. Here's the doll stand for this collection. It's a hexagonal shape, so I guess they redid that too. Okay, we've got her standing on the doll stand. Now let's go ahead and open up all this fabric here on the left. Okay, so we have this very voluminous skirt piece. And we have this other piece, which is also seafoam in color. I think that's a nice combination I would have never thought of, seafoam and pink. And this is supposed to be, I guess, her veil. Something doesn't look right. I think this was an epic fail. I think I was supposed to put it over that. Okay, let me try again. Ah, this is much better. But how was I supposed to know? I mean, that embroidered piece is so beautiful. How could you want to cover it up? But okay, so this is very grand, very grand. If you were to wear this in real life, you probably couldn't walk. But I love it on a doll. It certainly creates this queenly Marie Antoinette effect for me. Now let's take a look at all of her accessories. Wow. Okay, we have a pink fabric. Maybe these are tights. And we have earrings, a ring, and a necklace. Okay. What is this? Looks like maybe it's a compact and a little purse, a makeup bag or purse. And we have a hair comb and earrings, another set of earrings, and some nice pink high-heeled pumps. Oh, yeah. I can't wait to get these thigh-high boots on, as I said earlier. I decided to put her pink pumps on because you can't see the thigh-high boots under a dress like that anyway. Okay, let's get some of her jewelry on, shall we? I like these pink chunky earrings. Thankfully, she came with ear holes, so the earrings went in quite easily, and already it just heightens her glamour. And next, her chunky ring. I picked her index finger to put it on. I bet that's gonna fall off at some point. And now for her very dramatic looking choker necklace. Can't wait to get this on her. Although it looks a little, I don't know, like short. How am I gonna get this on? Okay, for the last hour, I've been struggling and struggling to make these two ends meet, and I just can't do it. So I decided to lengthen it by adding one of these jump rings from a necklace of mine to my doll's necklace. And in the end, I had to add 2 of the jump rings. And so now it's kind of hanging a little bit low. I think it probably should have been sitting higher on her neck. But anyway, I think I just need skinnier fingers. Okay, well, here's her hairpin. And the only place I could think to put it was here. Okay, so let's drape on the veil. this is very, very dramatic. I can see her walking down this grand staircase and immediately tripping and falling. What if I don't cover her whole face? No, this still looks a little odd. Okay, I do like it like this, as sort of a wrap. That looks very stunning and much more manageable. And plus you can see her beautiful face. Okay, let's switch outfits now and try on these tights with these boots. Okay, tights are on. I always dread putting on boots like these because I have such fat fingers and I'm so afraid of breaking the zipper. Phew, got them on with no problems and no breakage. Let's see how she looks with the seafoam veil. She looks stunning. I really like that effect. So unexpected and dramatic. Now let's check out her pink clutch. It opens. Very cool. And this really is a makeup compact and it opens as well. Let's see if this one fits inside the makeup clutch. Oh my gosh, it does. Amazing. Let's give it to her to hold since there really isn't any other way for her to carry it. But now she's ready to make her grand entrance at her Grand Gala in Rome, dressed as Marie Antoinette. Okay, what'd you think of this doll? Tell me in the comments below. And there's 2 more dolls to open, so stay tuned.